Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush, guys. Shop! And as you can see, I have spent 4,308 Diamonds out of 7,000. We can now claim Aqua Jet Gear Level 1. And guys, I'm thinking this Aqua Jet Level 1 is the rare Aqua Jet. That's Piplup or Primplup. And I'm thinking the Aqua Jet Level 3 is the super rare Summon Gear. I have no idea what this is. We are going to figure this out together. Hopefully I reach that Aqua Gear level 3. And hopefully the Aqua Gear level 3 is the real deal. Like the one with the added effects, because if there's no added effect, I would be furious at the developers of this game for letting us spend 7,000 without any significant summon gear. Okay guys, I think this is the rare gear. Who knows? Who knows? You claim Aqua Jet Gear level 1. Okay, let's discover this together, guys. Summon gears, sort by newest. Oh wait! It's the super rare one, guys! It's the super rare one! Oh my goodness! The summon move gauge is at max when the stage starts! Oh wow! Oh wow, guys! That is awesome! That is awesome! That is awesome! Okay, we got our very, very best summon gear ever. And I will not upgrade this until I get the level 3 one, and hopefully we get to upgrade the level 3 one. And I have a couple of Prinplups over here, I think, I think. There you go, guys. Prinplup. And I would be converting these to upgrade kits later on, but for now I'll just leave them be, and I will try that summon gear right now on a battle with this. This is the absolute best summon gear as far as I know. Oh wait, no, not him. I'm starting to use this guy already. Magmar. Giving him a Lubber. Bringing Mamoswine along. Giving him an Outrage. Where the heck is Outrage? Charge Boost. And bringing Tyrant. I think that's the correct summon. No, we're using Firefang. Actually, Sacred Fire kind of now works. Should we use Sacred Fire? But Sacred Fire needs 7 to activate, and we probably don't have that enough. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's just go for Firefang, guys. Firefang! Where the heck is Firefang? Firefang, where are you? Oh my gosh, I cannot find Firefang, guys. Firefang! Okay. Let's try this out, guys. Oh, wait. Why is there no summon gear? Why is there no summon gear? Let me restart that. And give me Score Bunny. I have to use Charizard. No, not Charizard. Magmar. Not Sylveon. Oh, Magmar. Why is your CP kind of low, though? Trying again, guys. Go! Oh my gosh, that is awesome. It's not very strong though, that's why. It's not that strong yet because it's at level 1. Hopefully when it's at level 3, we don't need to make an effort. And it's just very, very, very strong and very fast. And with that said, that was Aqua Jet gear, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We will use this in a proper stage right now. Proper stage. Here we go. Ooh, Dragonite. Okay, here we go, guys. Boom! That is so cool! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, guys. Just look how cool it is. Effortless. Effortless. That is so cool. This is absolutely incredible. That's it. I cannot wait to upgrade this to a higher level. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.